Once again, welcome to my viewers. Here we'll discuss a few problems on uses of trigonometry. This is based on angle of elevation and angle of depressions. Now let us come to first question here. A circus artist is climbing a 200-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground is 30 degree. So there is a vertical pole on the ground. Say this is the ground level. This is vertical pole. Then a rope is tied to the ground, right? Tightly stretched to the ground. That means there is no bend here. This is tightly stretched to the ground. This is the rope. And this is the vertical pole. Now you are given that this rope length is 20 meter and it is making 30-degree angle with the ground. This is the ground. Now we have to find the height of the pole. What is h here? So this is triangle ABC, right? So vertical pole means it is making right angle to the ground. So here angle ACB is 30 degree. Then AC equal to 20 meter and AB equal to H it is unknown, right? So we have to find out AB here. Now let us use the trigonometric ratios here. You are not given BC, so with the help of AC we will try to find the length of H. Now with respect to this angle, what is the relation between AB and AC? Since AB is the opposite of this angle, so you will use this trigonometric ratio. Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse or opposite side by hypotenuse. Here sin 30 degree equal to opposite side means AB and hypotenuse means AC. So what is sin 30 degree? You remember trigonometric ratios. Sin 30 is half. AB here is 20 and AB here is H and AC is 20. So twice of H equal to 20. So what is H? 10. Therefore height of the pole is 10 meter, right? So its height is 10 meter from the ground level, right? Let's come to question number 2 here. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So it was a vertical tree, right? Its original height was, say, this is the original height. Suppose let us see, imagine this is the ground level. Suppose now this tree was broken by storm. So let's say at this point tree was broken by the storm and top of the tree touches the ground, let's say top of the tree touches the ground, and it is making 30-degree angle with the ground level, right? The distance between the foot of the tree, this is the foot of the tree is here, this point. Say this is B. Foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. That means this distance, say this is BC, this is 8 meter. So we have to find the height of the tree. So how will you find the height of the tree? See, the height of the tree means this part BC and this is AC. So sum of AC plus AB is the height of the tree. The tree was broken at this point A, and the top of the tree touches the ground. This is the ground level, right? And it is making 30-degree angle with the ground. So we were given angle ACB equal to 30 degree, BC equal to 8 meter. So height of the tree is equal to AB plus AC. So we have to find AB and AC. Now let us find with respect to this angle, how will you find AB when BC is given? You remember tan theta. What is tan 30 degree? Opposite by adjacent, right? Opposite means AB, adjacent means BC. So what is tan 30 degree? Remember, sin 30 half, sin 30 degree equal to half, cos 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3, root 3 by 2, right? So tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Sin 30 divided by cos 30 is tan 30. So tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. So it is 1 by root 3. AB is unknown and BC is 8. Therefore, AB equal to 8 divided by square root of 3. Or you can rationalize the denominator, square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3. So in numerator is 8 root 3. 8 root 3 divided by 3. This is AB. Now how to find AC here? AC is the hypotenuse. So relation between adjacent by hypotenuse is cos 30 degree, right? Cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, BC by AC. So cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. AC is unknown. BC is again 8. So this implies that AC equal to 16 divided by square root of 3 or 16 root 3 divided by 3. So you can find the height of the tree now. Therefore, H equal to AB plus AC. What is AB? 8 square root of 3 divided by 3. AC means 16 square root of 3 divided by 3. So LCM is 3 here. 18 plus 16, 24 root 3. So answer is 8 root 3 meter. So this is the height of the tree, 8 root 3 meter. Coming to question number 3 here. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle 30 degrees to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. So what should be the length of the slide in each case? So the contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children in a park. One is made at the height 1.5 meter from the ground. So this is the height of the slide from the ground. This is, imagine this is the ground level, and this height is 1.5 meter. So this slide is making a 30-degree angle to the ground. This is 30-degree angle. So it is A, B, C. Right? So what is the length of the slide? AC. This is the slide. This is the slide. Right? Then for the children above 5 years, the slide is little taller than this one. It is steep. That means this is making 60-degree angle to the ground. Steep, right? So it is 60-degree angle. So it is P, Q, R. And this height is made as what is this height? 3 meter from the ground. Right? This was 1.5 meter. So this was 3 meter, exactly twice of this. And this was the slide this time. Right? Now we have to find the length of the slide in this case. Means you have to find PR and AC. Okay. AB equal to 1.5 meter and angle ACB equal to 30 degree. So we have to find AC. What is AC here? So think about the relationship between opposite by hypotenuse. Remember, sine theta equal to sine 30 degree equal to opposite by hypotenuse AC. Sine 30 is half. AB, it is 1.5 divided by AC. So what is AC? 1.5 multiplied by 2, that is 3 meter. So this slide is 3 meter in length. Right? Therefore, length of the slide for below 5 years is 3 meter. For below 5 years children, this length is made 3 meter. Now we have to find this slide here. Here given PQ equal to 3 meter, angle PRQ equal to 60 degree. So what is PR now? Remember, sine 60 degree equal to opposite PQ by hypotenuse PR. So here sine 60 degree means root 3 by 2. So it is PQ 3 by PR. So PR equal to 6 divided by square root of 3. If you rationalize the denominator, square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3, 6 root 3. So it is 6 root 3 divided by 3. So 2 root 3. Therefore, length of the slide, length of the steep slide equal to 2 root 3 meter. Right? It is 2 root 3 meter. Now let us come to one more question. Say this is another question. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degrees, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So there is a highway. Say this is the highway. It is leading to a tower. Suppose this is the tower. It is standing on the highway. Right? This is the highway. And this is the tower. A man is observing a car at an angle of depression 30 degrees. Suppose this is the initial position of the car, and it is making angle of depression 30 degrees when it is observed from the top of the tower. A man is observing from the top of the tower. This is the position of the man. So if you draw a horizontal line connecting his eyes, which is parallel to the ground, this is called horizontal line. Then you connect the position of the car with the eyes of the observer. This angle is called angle of depression, and this is 30 degrees at the beginning. Now this car is approaching to the tower. It is going to this side, right? And it is moving at an uniform speed. What is uniform speed? Means it is covering equal distance in equal intervals of time. Say for example, it is traveling at a speed 30 meters per second. Then in every 1 second, it is covering 30 meters. 1 second 30 meters, 2 seconds 60 meters, 3 seconds 90 meters, and so on. Now it is said that the 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. 6 seconds later, suppose the position of the car is this, and angle of depression this time it is 60 degrees. 60 degrees after 6 seconds. So in 6 seconds time, this car is moving from, say it is A to B. Then this is C, suppose this is D. So after 6 seconds, this car is moving to the position of B. If you can find the distance between A and B, then we can find the speed of the car. If you find, suppose distance between A and B is suppose 24 meter, then speed of the car will be 24 by 6, 4 meters per second, like that. Then if you can find BC, then you can find the time taken by the car to reach from B to C by dividing their distance by speed. So we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. From this point means suppose B. Okay, so you are given this angle is 30 degrees, angle of depression. So if it is 30 degree, then it is 30 degree, since they are alternate angle. Again, if it is 60 degree, that means this angle is 60 degree. So angle DAC equal to 30 degree, angle DBC equal to 60 degree, right? Height of the tower, including the height of the person, say this height is h. So let us find the relationship between H and BC, and again H and AC. So what is sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree equal to CD by DA. But it is not known, DA is not known. So instead of sine 30 degree, we will use tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree equal to opposite CD by adjacent AC. So what is tan 30 degree? 1 by square root of 3. CD is H, then it is AC. So AC equal to H root 3. Then you find tan 60 degree. You remember sine 60 degree root 3 by 2, cos 60 degree half. So tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Tan 60 degree equal to here DC by BC. So it is root 3. DC means H by BC. So what is BC? BC equal to H divided by root 3. So it is H root 3 divided by 3. So we got BC here, then we got AC also. So we can find AB now. What is AB? AB equal to AC minus BC, right? AB minus BC. So AC minus BC, that is AB. So what is AC? AC equal to H root 3 minus BC equal to H root 3 divided by 3. So you can take H root 3 common. So 1 minus 1 by 3. This is H root 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. So it is AB. Now let us find the speed of the car. We can find the speed of the car. What is speed of the car? Speed equal to distance divided by time, right? So speed of the car is here, distance means AB, H root 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 divided by 6 seconds. 6 seconds. The car is moving from A to B in 6 seconds. So it is divided by 6. So H root 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 divided by 6 means 1 by 6. So it is 2 3s are. So we got H root 3 divided by 9. This is the speed of the car. Now when you divide this speed of the car, when you divide the distance between B and C divided by speed of the car, you will get the time taken from B to C. So time from B to C equal to distance divided by speed. So distance between B and C, BC. BC is H root 3 divided by 3. Speed of the car, H root 3 divided by 9. So let us simplify this. H root 3 divided by 3 divided by H root 3 divided by 9. So it becomes H root 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 9 by H root 3. So this will cancel each other. 3 3s are 9. So it is 3 seconds. That means from B to C, the car will take 3 seconds time. From the position of B to reach the foot of the tower, the car will take 3 seconds time. Okay. So thank you viewers for watching this video. We'll discuss similar exercise in the next video again. Keep in touch.